51 Shocking Psychological Facts About Women, a Stoic's Guide to Understanding Female Psychology. Understanding the psychology of women is not about control, manipulation, or trickery. It is about awareness, wisdom, and clarity. A Stoic approach helps us see things as they are, free from bias, and allows us to navigate relationships with emotional balance and rationality. In this guide, we explore 51 psychological facts about women through a Stoic lens. By integrating these insights into your life, you can develop deeper relationships, strengthen communication, and cultivate a resilient mindset. 1. Emotional depth and sensitivity. Women experience emotions more intensely than men due to higher levels of oxytocin and estrogen. They are more likely to express emotions openly, while men tend to suppress them. Women's emotions fluctuate more due to hormonal cycles, which can affect mood and decision-making. They are more empathetic and sensitive to others' feelings, which strengthens social bonds. Stoic insight. Emotions are natural but should not dictate actions. Learn to observe without being consumed by them. 2. Communication and expression. Women use both hemispheres of their brain when communicating, making them more verbally expressive. They tend to use more words per day than men, preferring detailed and emotionally rich conversations. Silence can be perceived as emotional withdrawal, whereas men often use silence to process thoughts. Women are more likely to seek emotional validation, while men focus on problem-solving. Stoic insight. Listen with patience and respond with clarity. Seek understanding rather than reacting emotionally. 3. Intuition and decision-making. Women have stronger intuition due to their ability to read micro-expressions and body language. Their decision-making blends logic with emotional intelligence, making them highly perceptive. Women tend to be more risk-averse in financial matters, but take greater risks in social situations. They often trust their gut feeling more than men. Stoic insight. Balance logic and intuition. Trust reason while respecting emotional intelligence. 4. Attraction and relationship dynamics. Women are generally attracted to confidence, emotional intelligence, and leadership rather than just physical looks. They subconsciously test men's emotional stability and strength through shit tests. Security, emotional and financial, plays a key role in long-term attraction. Women appreciate men who maintain a sense of independence and purpose. Stoic insight. Maintain composure and self-mastery. Confidence without arrogance is key. 5. Women's need for connection. Women's friendships are built on emotional sharing, while men's friendships are often based on shared activities. They form deeper emotional bonds with friends and family than men typically do. Social rejection affects women more deeply than men. They often use social interaction as a stress relief mechanism. Stoic insight. Build strong relationships based on trust and integrity, but do not rely on external validation. 6. Stress, anxiety, and mental health. Women experience higher rates of anxiety and depression due to hormonal and social factors. They tend to ruminate, overthink, which can increase stress. Women are more likely to seek social support during stressful times. They internalize criticism more than men, making self-confidence a challenge. Stoic insight. Control your perceptions. External events do not define your inner peace. 7. The complexity of female sexuality. Women's sexual attraction is more psychological than visual, often linked to emotional connection. Sexual desire in women is more fluid and can change based on life circumstances. Confidence and intelligence can be bigger turn-ons than physical appearance. They require more mental and emotional stimulation for attraction. Stoic insight. Respect the complexity of human desire. Do not seek validation through fleeting pleasures. 8. Motherhood and nurturing instincts. Women's maternal instincts are hardwired due to oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Their nurturing nature extends beyond children and influences friendships and romantic relationships. Women are more likely to sacrifice for their loved ones. Their protective instincts heighten when they sense danger to their family or loved ones. Stoic insight. Appreciate and respect the nurturing nature of women while maintaining emotional balance. 9. Women and social hierarchy. Women's social interactions are highly complex and involve both cooperation and competition. Gossip, though often seen negatively, is a form of social bonding. Women form in-groups more often than men and are highly aware of social dynamics. They use social intelligence to navigate friendships and rivalries. Stoic insight: observe social dynamics without judgment, engage only in meaningful connections. 10. Women's growth and self-identity. Women experience stronger self-esteem fluctuations based on social acceptance and self-image. They are more likely to suffer from imposter syndrome, doubting their abilities despite success. Feminine energy thrives on both strength and softness, balancing independence with emotional depth. Women are often more self-reflective, constantly analyzing their growth and relationships. Stoic insight: true self-worth is built on virtue, not external validation. Focus on internal strength. 11th. Leadership and influence. Women in leadership roles excel in empathy-driven decision-making and long-term strategic thinking. They often face subconscious biases in workplaces, requiring greater resilience. Women's leadership style is more transformational, inspiring through connection rather than dominance. They tend to mentor and nurture team members rather than exert hierarchical control. Stoic insight: leadership is about service and wisdom. Lead by example, not authority. Final Stoic reflections. A Stoic approach to understanding women's psychology requires patience, wisdom, and emotional balance. Instead of reacting impulsively, seek to understand with clarity and self-control. Relationships, whether romantic, platonic, or professional, flourish when they are based on virtue, respect, and authenticity. By integrating Stoic principles into your interactions with women, you can cultivate stronger relationships, communicate effectively, and navigate life with resilience. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius.